Welcome guys, I am Subha Malik. In this video I am going to teach you how to change color of an object in Photoshop or how to change color of an image in Photoshop. You can see here this is a flower here that is red and the leaves color is green, and I am going to do a little trick and I am going to change this color. Wow, magic. So in this video I am going to teach you this. Before doing this, if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any new video from me. So recently I have been learning Photoshop to improve my design skill for my book covers for KDP. So while doing this I have learned this little trick to change color of any object, anything using Photoshop, and this is very simple. I am gonna starting this from scratch for you. First of all, you need to go to file and then open your image. I am opening this flower, so it will open in new tab here. This is already opened and it is gonna open in new tab. It is taking some time. Let's just close this one first. No, and I'm gonna open this again from open, and this is our flower. It's here. Now just zoom it out by control plus minus and it is zoomed out. Now first add a background. Its background is transparent. I am going to add a background. For doing this you need to add a new layer. Just click on here on the plus sign and just move this layer toward down like this and rename it to BG. BG mean background. So with this background layer selected, go to edit and then go to fill and click from here white and click OK. Now our background is filled. Now we want to change the color of this flower. Just click this flower layer and then go to adjustments. If your adjustment panel is not here, you can go here on Windows and tick this adjustments and it will appear here. Click on adjustments and then go to Hue Oblique Saturations. Here just click on, this is by default selected as master. You click on here and select reds. Click on reds and just move this hue bar. Notice color is changing. It's purplish, and now you can increase or decrease the saturation and move this slider. So now color of the this main flower has been changed. Now we want to change the color of leaves. I'm gonna select the greens, but you can see here by selecting green nothing is changing. In such case, when a color of an object is not changing, there is a streak. It is, you can see here this hand. Click on this and then select this is color dropper or eyedropper. Just select the color. Now move the slider. You can see color of the leaves is being changed. Now here you can increase or decrease the saturation to make it more brighter, and you can also go back and change the color of reds as well to something like this, or in this way you can change color of any image or object using Photoshop. Just add a Hue Oblique Saturation layer. This is not destructive, means your main photo is preserved and you are only making changes on a separate layer. That's why this change is not destructive. If anything goes wrong, you can simply delete this layer and your photo will be preserved. So we have changed our color. Now we can save this as okay. Select PNG and rename the flower like color, something like that. Now click save and hit OK. Now let's see our new flower, and it's here. It will take a moment to load. You can see the difference. That was our previous flower and that's new one. So in this way you can quickly change a color of an object or an image using Photoshop. And that is all from me today. If you are new to my channel, then do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any new video from me. I am Subha Malik signing off. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.